Introduction: Staying safe with smart home workout gear.
Smart workout equipment brings convenience and motivation to home fitness routines. However, using these advanced tools safely is crucial. Whether you own a smart treadmill, bike, or interactive strength machine, understanding essential safety practices can help prevent accidents and ensure effective workouts. Let's explore key tips to safely set up, use, and maintain your smart exercise gear.
Set up your equipment securely.
Proper setup is the foundation of safe workouts. Place your equipment on a flat, stable surface away from walls or objects that could obstruct movement. Check that plugs and wires are out of walking paths to reduce tripping hazards. Follow manufacturer instructions for assembly, double-checking that all bolts and parts are tightened before use.
Understand the technology.
Familiarize yourself with your equipment's smart features before starting any exercise. Read the manual to understand how sensors, safety locks, apps, and emergency stops work. Ensure your device is updated with the latest software and adjust user profiles with accurate personal data to benefit from personalized safety recommendations.
Warm up and use proper form.
Prevent injuries by warming up before each session and positioning your body correctly. Many smart machines offer instructions or live feedback. Pay attention to these prompts and avoid rushing through exercises. Pause the device if you need a break, and never bypass safety reminders or recommended settings.
Keep equipment maintained and clean.
Regular maintenance is key for long-term safety. Wipe down surfaces to prevent buildup of sweat and dust, which can cause slipping or mechanical issues. Inspect your equipment regularly for loose parts, worn cables, or software glitches. Immediately address any unusual noises, malfunctions, or warning signals.
Monitor your health and know when to stop.
Listen to your body while using smart workout gear. Many devices can track your heart rate and exertion levels. Use these features to avoid overexertion. If you feel pain, dizziness, or discomfort, stop immediately. Consult a professional before starting new routines, especially if you have health concerns.
Conclusion: make safety a habit.
Smart home workout gear offers powerful tools for achieving fitness goals, but safety should always come first. By setting up equipment correctly, staying informed, practicing good technique, maintaining your devices, and listening to your body, you can enjoy the benefits of technology while minimizing risks. Prioritize safety for a consistently rewarding fitness experience.